Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of our 7-day challenge. I hope you enjoyed day number 1. So this is what my entryway looks like. It's very small, it's very narrow. I love it because it helps me keep sanity around here and keep things very simple. But as you can see, it's very plain. The mirrors is dirty. The wall art on the walls are dirty. The floor needs a little bit of sweeping, and that's what we're going to do right now. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladys here. In this channel, I show you guys how to live the simple minimalistic lifestyle. Hopefully, if there's anything that interests you, I hope you will stay tuned by subscribing. And if you like this video, click on the like button. Let's get into this video. Guys, as you guys already know, this is a collaboration with 3 others, amazing women, amazing sisters here on YouTube. And we are working so hard to give you guys a 7-day back-to-back video challenge. So by clicking on the like button and showing guys that you appreciate this video is very appreciative. And don't forget that if you want to enter into the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to each of the girls and enter done into the comments. My loves, I have to confirm one last thing with you guys. In order to be entered for the giveaway, you have to tell each of the girls in their last video, so on the 7th day, which part of their homes you love. Was it the entryway? Was it the backyard? Was it the bathroom? Choose which one do you love on each of the 4 girls. It's a very simple task for a very wonderful giveaway. Let's continue watching the video. For those who are still here watching the video, I really appreciate you. If you're liking what you're seeing, please go ahead and click on that like button. It really helps my channel with YouTube to grow. For those who have been following me for a while, you know that I like to keep things here very simple. If you're new here and you like this minimal lifestyle, very simplistic, clutter-free lifestyle, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I would love to have you part of this family. I am a mama of 3 and this is a very busy household, so I do not like anything we have to bump on, stress over, clean overnight, clean here, clean there. So I like to keep things very simply and very minimally. That's the route I decided to go for, and hopefully you will join me into that road. Let's continue watching the video. Guys, I love this overlight on these pictures, so I love turning it on all the time. Before we go anywhere, I turn it off. But also, I am in love with this pampas grass reef. I'm gonna go ahead and add it here behind the door just to put a little final touch to this entryway.
Let's make a run together, I'll be by your side before we collide. And if the sky falls down on you, just beat it up before we collide. Let's make it last forever, I'm ready to fly before we collide. And when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up before we collide.